We are excited to use Schoology to communicate with you in and outside of class this year. First, what you will need to do is to go into Schoology, click the mail, and hit New Message. Now, you are going to find someone in your network. This would be the name of the teacher you are trying to find. For example, if you are trying to find Miss Nelson, you would type in Kirsten Nelson, and you will see their name come up. It uses their first name in Schoology, but that does not mean you can use their first name during class. Next, you need to write a clear subject line. This should specifically say why you are emailing. For example, let's say I was having a difficult time doing an assignment for class. The assignment is about multiplying fractions. I am going to say multiplying fractions assignment. I want my teacher to know what the email is going to be about. Next, we are going to work on the message. First, you need to address your teacher using the word dear and then their name. I am doing Miss Nelson, so I should say, Dear Miss Nelson. Now I'm going to work on the body of my message. Your body of the message is what you are actually specifically messaging your teacher about. In this case, I am having a very difficult time with a specific problem on my homework, and I would like to meet with her to go over it. So, using proper spelling and proper grammar, I am going to email you. As you can see, I was specific with the problem I was working on, so problem number 4, as well as the assignment I am having difficulties with. I'm going to tell her that I have tried, but I've had a difficult time. Now I'm going to move on to my question. My question is if she would be able to meet with me. Notice that I didn't tell her or demand her to meet with me, but asked for her opinion on when she could meet with me. Another situation you might be emailing for is for a quiz or assignment. A way that you could phrase that is, I noticed that I did not score well on my last test. Could we find a time to discuss my grade and what I could do to improve? We want to be very professional in these emails. Next, I'm going to end my email by thanking my teacher, and I want her to know that I will be checking back. So I'm going to say, thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you. Finally, I'm going to sign off with sincerely and my full name. Before you hit the send button, it is important to check your grammar and spelling. If you do need to attach a document, let's say you were working on a paper and wanted some feedback, don't forget to attach your file. Sometimes you may need to attach a link as well. Make sure it says complete before you hit send.